This is the recording for the presentation assignment for ISYS 90069, eHealth and Biomedical Informatics System. The title of my presentation is The Evaluation of Connect. So about the background issue. Cardiovascular disease, aka CVD, was and is still the leading factor of accidental deaths and disability for human species, accounting for 31% of death worldwide. Which makes this situation more worse is factors and indicators related to CVD are very hard to detect. But on the other side, there are some helpful technologies like ubiquitous mobile devices, like mobile phone, tablet, laptop, and wireless sensors. So the CONNECT stands for Consumer Navigation of Electronic Cardiovascular Tools. In conclusion, it is a web-based electronic application focusing on cardiac rehabilitation for the end users. 1. People with CVD risks. 2. People at rehab or continued care period after treatment. 3. Healthcare providers. As you can see from the right and bottom side of this slide, these are the UI of this application. So the main functions it provides can be divided into three parts. For the first part, which is also the core function of this application, is the CVD risk evaluation tool. As you can see from the right side, it provides a risk dial to represent evaluation of the CVD risk. The input data includes two separated sources, which is 1. the user information, which are age, related lifestyle, blood pressure, and something like that. The second source is the EHR data coming from the community hospital or their GPs. The algorithm to get these CVD risks are generated and tested by experts from credible sources like National Heart Foundation, Kindle Health Australia, and so on. For the self-management and self-tracking tools, as you can see from the right side of this slide, it set goals according to the health status of the patients, and also to encourage and remind patients or users to according to the goals. Email in application or SMS messages are used to sending the message, and also virtual medal and encouraging SMS message are provided for encouragement of goal accomplishment by the user. So for the last function, social network function, every user can respond to the product questions about the lifestyle or heart health knowledge provided by the maintenance team, and also like Facebook and their other social network media. Users can read, click like, or respond to the content posted by other users. By this way, users can communicate with others who might share the same or similar experience. For the evaluation process, referring to mainly reliable and effective evaluation framework, KDS evaluation framework is used here to evaluate the CONNECT. So it involves 4 life cycles of the eHealth application, and the evaluation themes include health service outcomes, technology outcomes, and social and behavioral impact. Mechanics. So for the development process, During and before the development period about the Connect, its end users has been investigated. So the important information about the end users and their characteristic personnel and the current user journey has been connected. And also, since it's application funded by government, which means it can get support from by experts coming from all over Australia. So for the implementation process, as I mentioned before, this whole product is supported by the government body. So the initial implementation period is assured by the resources the government can provide. And also a randomized controlled trial of Connect has been conducted. The detail of this trial is available from the website below. So this is a public website about this controlled trial. So about an integration period. So rather than a separate subsystem, the Connect is already integrated with another subsystem called Health Tracker eHealth system, which functions as a clinical decision supporting system. And also, Connect can act like resources for the future as a source to implement and support negotiation of care between the consumers and the care providers, which can help users who have some chronic disease, cancer, or other diseases. So for the sustained operation period, so this stage refers to the ongoing stage when this application has performed for an extended period of time. About Connect, feedback and user experience bugs can be just reported directly to the maintaining team, which means this functions deficit can be erased in the next update. So in conclusion, first of all, as a multi-phased consumer-focused eHealth application, Connect can effectively reduce safety risks. And secondly, the integration between patients' health information and clinical care providing system is necessary for overcoming the health system efficiency, especially the services provider and especially the relationship between the users and the health care providers. Thirdly, new technologies like web application, mobile devices, wireless sensors can help and will help to improve the healthcare service delivery to a new level. Thanks for your time.